Okay, yesterday we reviewed this problem in physics class. Basically, it's a traffic light weighing 100 Newton hangs from a vertical cable tied to other cables that are fastened to a support, as figure 7.8 shows. The upper cable makes angles of 37 and 53 with the horizontal. Find the tension in each of the three cables. So what we have to do, we're going to be using the sine and the cosine. So they drew a horizontal x-axis, but we need to also draw the vertical the vertical y here, so we can establish our triangle. You can see here using our sine, cosine, and tangent. So in the book, when they set up the tables, they're getting the cosine from that is the x component. So if we see here, this is the x right here. Cosine would be the b over the c. We don't want the y because that's part of the x. You don't want to have the a in the x variable, because that would be a problem. You'd be having a variable you don't want in there. So that's why the cosine is used, the b over the c. And it's used for both of the x because we don't want to have any of the y in there, any of the a. So you can see here for the x, you see both of the cosines. And then for the y component, which is right here, we have the a, so we must have the a in it. So the question is whether it's going to be sine or tangent. Well, we don't want the b because it's the y, so it cannot be tangent. So both of them are going to be the sine, as you see right here. Both of them are sine. So we talked about the problem yesterday in the board, and we went over how to solve it. The answer was on the board up here. I accidentally erased it this morning. So we just wanted to go over or note that you have to have the y associated with the triangle. So we drew that in there.
9.